morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The MACD has shot up into the positive area. Bitcoin has added 8.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has sunk into neutral territory. The price of gold has fallen 1.1% in the last two sessions. The MACD transitioned sharply into the negative area. The price of crude oil has lost 0.9% in the last session. Stochastic transitioned into the positive area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
World stock indexes climbed to record levels, and U.S. bond yields edged higher as investors focused on U.S. President-elect Joe Biden's pandemic aid proposal. Bitcoin has recovered most of the eye-popping losses registered at the start of the week, proving naysayers were too quick again to forecast the end of the recent surge in the controversial digital asset. The dollar drifted lower in choppy trading after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell struck a dovish tone, saying the U.S. Central Bank is not raising interest rates anytime soon.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
Japan's Tertiary Industry Index will be released at 4:30 GMT. The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1500 GMT. UK's Gross Domestic Product at 700 GMT. Japan's HICP will be released at 800 GMT. UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 1300 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY and C net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.